In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ClickUp tasks with n8n. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add ClickUp nodes to your workflow, connect your account, configure the key fields, and run a quick test so you can start automating with confidence. Begin inside your n8n workflow editor. To add a new piece to your automation, click the plus icon at the top right. This is where you bring in services and actions that your workflow will use. In the search bar that appears, type ClickUp, then select it. You'll see options for creating components inside ClickUp tasks. In particular, you can add the Create Checklist node and the Create Checklist Item node. These let you build checklists within a task and then populate them with items, which is a great way to standardize task details without manual entry. Select the nodes you need, and they'll be added to your workflow canvas. As soon as a node is added, its configuration window opens. This is where you tell n8n how to talk to ClickUp and what exactly to create. Start by setting up the connection. Click Connect to ClickUp. Follow the prompt to authorize n8n with your ClickUp workspace. Keep in mind, you never need to paste any sensitive information directly into your workflow. Use n8n's credential system and built-in connection flow so your authorization is stored securely. Once connected, choose the resource and operation that match your goal. For the Create Checklist node, the resource typically aligns with a checklist inside a task, and the operation will be Create. For the Create Checklist Item node, you'll be adding an item under an existing checklist. Provide the required fields, such as the checklist ID for the parent checklist and the name for the new item. Additional fields let you fine-tune details depending on what the node supports, so review what's available to match your process. Every parameter you set can be a fixed value or an expression. Fixed values are great for constants, like a standard checklist title. Expressions let you pull dynamic data from earlier nodes in the same workflow, which is perfect if you're building checklists based on incoming forms, CRM updates, or any other source. If you're not ready to wire in dynamic data yet, start with fixed values and switch to expressions later. When your configuration looks good, click Execute Step to test the node. Watch the output to confirm the checklist or item was created successfully in ClickUp. If you see an error, double-check your IDs and required fields, then run the test again. And that's it. You've connected n8n to ClickUp, configured your nodes, and executed a live test to create checklists and items inside your tasks.